everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey. And as you can see by that title, I am trying somebody's recipe. You know, love this chef, beautiful chef, gorgeous chef. Today I am trying Sunny Anderson's Caribbean chicken wings. That's a dance for the chicken wings. Chicken wing, chicken wing. Anyway, in the next clip, you will be seeing me prepare the marinade, because these chicken wings, they got a lot of flavor, and in order to have a lot of flavor, you gotta marinate. Okay, and that's what we did for 4 to 6 hours is what she suggested. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go ahead and add the ingredients to our little mixing cup. I don't have the big blender because this will do a lot less cleanup, very easy cleanup. All right, so now we're gonna add the habanero peppers, garlic, green onion, fennel seed, thyme, cayenne pepper, ground ginger, light brown sugar, white granulated sugar, allspice, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, lime juice, orange juice, and some honey. Get my little spoon, put this up on. There we go. And we're gonna do dressing. Woo! And we are ready. Take it on off. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's move this out the way. Bring our little, okay, 3 pounds of chicken, give or take. So we want to at least get 3 pounds. Oh, smells good. Strong. Pour it over. And my little spoon. Oh, you smell all those spices. Okay, folks. Coated good. What we about to do now is cover this with some plastic wrap and stick it in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, y'all finished? Y'all back? Okay. Now that y'all see how I marinated the chicken, let it sit for all those hours. Now it is ready to go on the baking sheets. Let me show y'all. Oh, it smells so good. It's ready to go on the baking sheet. So let's get these on the baking sheet and in the oven. Yes, ma'am. You do not want to crowd them. You do not want to crowd them. So that's why I have 2 baking sheets here. Okay. It's the last thing you want to do. Let's go to the other one. It's my Caribbean dance for my wings, y'all. Alright, let's get them up in here. Let's get them up in here. Yummy, yummy, the chicken. Do not splash on me, okay? I don't feel like smelling like Caribbean marinade on Sunday. Now, we got them all on the baking sheet. Let me show y'all. I got some, if y'all can see, good little distance between them. Yummy. Anyway, let's go ahead and get these 2 little babies in the oven for 20 minutes the first round. Okay, so we can go ahead and show you. Okay, so we are not gonna throw this away. We're gonna put this in a little saucepan, pour it right on in now. If you got it in a bag, just pour the remaining marinade out the bag into that good old saucepan. In the last 10 minutes of this first bake, we're gonna cut this on. Let it simmer down 10 minutes. It's gonna reduce, and then we're gonna take that and we're gonna brush it on the chicken wings. But I'm gonna show it to you. Don't worry about it. Just stay right there. All right, we are reducing our sauce. Look how good. Look how it looks. Looks so good, right? We have a couple of more minutes on that. Yeah, I'm stirring it with my brush. I know, it's okay. I'm using it to put it on the wings anyway, so it's all right. It's still doing good, but yeah, smells great. Smells great. Hey folks, as you can see, I got the wings out of the oven. Folks, do not taste these wings yet, please. They are still raw. This is only the first 20 minutes, okay? So we're gonna take this sauce. Y'all see how it thickened? We're gonna take it and we're gonna brush it over all the wings. Get it in there real good. This sauce got a lot of flavor, I heard. I can't wait to taste this. I cannot wait. I've seen all the reviews and they said these wings on delicious. So we about to check these bad boys out. Let's get this over here. Sauce, get this sauce. Okay, so I'm sure y'all already know how to brush sauce over wings. So I'm gonna finish doing this. And when the last 20 minutes is up on these wings and we ready to taste, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just want to come back to you guys real quick. As you can see, I got the sauce on the wings. And I forgot to tell you, she did say cut your oven up to 400 degrees for the last bake of the chicken. Well, what's up guys? And as you can see, the chicken is ready. The Caribbean chicken. But let's go ahead and taste and see how Sunny did with this recipe. I'm sure it's good. You know, I'm not doubting it one bit. So let me set this down. Grab me a little leg. Oh, it's hot, hot, hot. Taste this chicken. Really good. Need me some dipping sauce and I'm all good. You understand? Got a little kick back there. Got a little kick. I'm guessing it's from the cayenne and the habanero. It's a good wing though. I just need some dipping sauce. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please, 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 please hit that bell for those post notifications. And if you have a recipe you want me to try, please look in the description down below and send me some suggestions to that email, and I'll make sure I get right back to you. And until next time, peace.